guys, so now that we have the values sent from the form stored in variables like this, and we also check to see if the email they're trying to sign up with has been used before, we can now continue to perform the same sort of validation checks on the rest of the form. So what we're going to do, we're going to go down underneath where we've done all this with the email. We're going to say if strlen, which is string length, and inside the brackets you're going to put fname is greater than 25. That means that if the number of characters in the name is more than 25, or same again, strlen bracket $fname is less than 2, then we're going to, for now, echo your first, yeah, that's right, your first name, which I can't spell today, name must be between, between 2 and 25 characters. So this just checks the length of the name that they've entered to make sure it's between 2 and 25 characters. If it's over 25 or less than 2, then it's going to give you this error. We're going to do the same sort of thing now for the last name, so we can just copy that and paste it underneath and change this to L name. Your last name. Okay, that's good there. And we're also going to do another if statement. We're going to say if password is not equal to password 2, then obviously the passwords entered aren't the same, so we can just say echo your passwords do not match and semicolon. Okay, so we'll save that now, just give that a little check. So we enter the first name less than 2, enter the last name that's going to be more than 25 characters, email, password there, and password's not the same. Your first name is between 2 and 25 characters, and we also have your last name. Your last name must be between 2 and 25 characters, and also your passwords don't match. Yeah, the errors aren't on different lines yet, but we know it's working. That's the main thing. Okay, so underneath this, after this password check, we're going to do else, and inside this else statement, we're going to go if preg match, which is there. Let's say inside the quotes, we're going to do / square bracket, whatever that's called, a z a hyphen lowercase z 0 hyphen 9, and just check I've got that correct. Oh, and a square bracket and another / and just check I've got that correct. A hyphen z 0 9. Okay, yep, and in password, I'll explain what that does in a minute. Next parameter, password. If that's true, we're going to echo. We're going to say your password can only contain English characters or numbers. There we go. So what that does, it checks to see if the values stored in password only contain letters or numbers. So there's the check right there. That means A to Z uppercase, and that means A to Z lowercase, and that means 0 to 9 for numbers. Yeah, that means 0 to 9 numbers. So yeah, that's pretty confusing, might be for now, but yeah, just know it's a necessary check we have to do. So now for the next if statement underneath, we're going to go if strlen, just like we did up there for name, we say password is greater than 30, or, this is double pipe symbol, means or strlen password is, outside the brackets, is less than 5, echo your password must be between 5 and 30 characters. Okay, so we don't have to do this check on password 2 because if the passwords don't match, then we'll get that error anyway. That's from here. So we don't have to do the same check on password 2. We can just do it for password 1. And that's actually it. That's all we need to do as far as validating what they've entered.